It's me, I'm in my field. I'm going to do a quick update of around my pond of all the beautiful spring flowers that are coming through, because I think I should share it. So there's other things, with weeds and things as well. So the stinging nettles, but the stinging nettles are coming into flower, and I just wanted to bring you along for a very quick squiz at stinging nettles, I guess, because they're actually quite pretty, although they do sting you. Aquilesias, these are marguerites, and these flower later in the summer, August, September. There's a Camellia, because I've just shoved it in the pond. There's to sort of store it for a bit. There's lots of foxgloves coming up. This is chamomile. There's a load of thistles as well, and I've left some in, and I'm going to take a lot out, but leave some in. These ones here, that's evening primrose. These ones here are teasels, and I like teasels because they have a little bird feeder, bird bath in the centre of the leaf in between, and they're all the way down, so all the way through the summer it collects water, and then the birds come and feed out, so it's like a natural bird feeder, bird waterer. The yellow's going over, the sweet pea yellow, as I say, aquilesias, the blues are there, and the foxgloves are coming out. And then I've got these which are hot lips, but because I cut them in a certain way, they've all come out red or pink, and there's only a few of the actual hot lips down there. Do you see? Citrus sage, Salvia. It's a pretty weird leaf, weird petal there. Anyway, that's what they're supposed to look like, but they've come out pink and red because of the way I've trimmed them, I presume. More foxgloves. These have just gone over, but there's more coming out. These are irises, and this one's slightly scented with a sweet but soft smell, which is really nice. These are curry plants. There's more irises down there. I think there's a blue one as well. I've got lots of weeds growing as well. There's azaleas. There's a bindweed growing all through the azalea. More aquilesias. More stinging nettles. And then I've got this, which is a beautiful rose that comes out white or white with a pink edge, depending on how many weeds are around it, it seems. I've got lots of osteospermum coming out. They're all mixed in with other things, and there's loads on the front there. This is a hazelnut tree, and I got one of my good friends, Paul, who's no longer with us. He left me, he gave me a big bag of nuts, cob nuts, and he said, "Hey Ari, here's a big bag of cob nuts. You can either plant them and grow them, or you can eat them." Anyway, when he passed away, I found them, 2000 and, I don't know, found them a couple of years ago or a year ago or so, and I planted them, and I put them all around the field, so to remind me of my good mate Paul. And I have given a few away as well to some of Paul's friends. So yeah, there we go. But yeah, I've got lots of flowers. The ones in the pond are actually buttercups, and they've trailed in from out of the pond, and now they're growing in the pond as a marginal plant, which is rather nice. And then the other ones, the tall ones with the yellow flower that looks like a buttercup, I presume it's a pond water buttercup sort of thing. Flag irises have also got yellow flowers, and I'm just really enjoying all the pretty colours and the pretty flowers. I've got some other bits and pieces in as well. There's a load of penstemons somewhere hidden underneath all the weeds. I'm going to have to do a weed through. There's another azalea there. There's some, this is like a Japanese shrimp. There's another fig tree underneath there, and there's my aloe vera there as well. Aloe vera. This one flowers, massive long spikes of flowers that go right up in the sky. And I just thought I'd bring you for a little quick squiz around the pond. And down there's a stinking hellebore. But it does stink at certain times of the year, but it doesn't just right now. Anyway, that's my update of my beautiful flowers around my rubbishy natural pond. I have got tadpoles and things in there as well, which is really nice, and newts and all sorts, and the bird's bath in it, and it's lovely. And there's water lilies and all sorts of things. Cheers.